Looks like a beautiful day.
It is.
Excited to get up there. Here's Matt in a boulder.
Every day. On the boulder.
Oh yeah, all we've ridden is boulder. Dawson's gonna go climb some. All right, is everybody? I'm not. I guess I am. Right on.
No,
I'm not.
Where are you from?
Whistler.
Are you with those guys?
Yep. Thank you.
not bad sitting here in the sun now, not moving.
Yeah.
Your face looks like you're getting frostbite. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, it's white. It does that. It does that. Yeah, it does when you get frostbite.
I guess my shot start doesn't work at all anymore. That's unfortunate. Here goes Matt.
Walks right up there. Oh yeah.
You think the 46 got it?
I think the 46 could get that. Oh, the 46 could 100% do that one. Yeah.
Well, 46 has to try one chute.
46, this is the one for the 46.
Before I leave Revelstoke,
Yeah.
I gotta try one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I kind of get the appeal now.
Cool.
I get the appeal. That was actually really fun.
Yeah.
What's next?
Nothing. These next two, I guess.
This one and that one, or
This one looks like it's got a bit of a wall at the top.
this one looks kind of scary, yeah.
That was scary! Yeah, you really lost it quick off the start.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dawson said go up the down line here, so that's what we'll do. Woo-hoo-hoo! nothing, man. This sled fucking hauls.
Okay, got her good.
10-4. No, that wasn't bad at all.
We need gnarlier.
Yeah, let's go to the bullpen.
Bullpen it is.
Yeah.
Hell yeah!
That one was sick. That one
So
felt good.
sick.
I think we're gonna go over to the bullpen.
4 wide up the chutes, get out.
I'm not going up with the drone in the bag. Oh wait, so okay. Pirate, shoot.
Yeah, Angry Pirate,
Angry Pirate, 90,
20.
Swenny, and camp out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing is absolutely wild.
Oh, it's nuts.
Oh, is it like
nuts.
6 feet wide, 8 feet wide?
Not even.
Really?
No, it's like ski width wide.
Gnarly.
Yeah, yeah.
Gnarly.
I don't know, I'm kind of thinking this one.
I'll just go for that other one.
Yeah?
I'm ready to go for that other one.
Okay. Okay, well, you all good, Matt? That wasn't so bad. You're right. This one looks worse.
Yeah.
It looks more technical and scary.
Yeah, it looks super narrow.
Yeah.
90, right?
Yeah. It actually doesn't look that bad other than that drift. Ah, dude, gravy!
Wow, you have to be precise with that corner.
Yeah.
You flew up that thing.
Oh yeah, dude, I idled over the top. I got right off.
How'd that feel?
Oh, it's cakewalk.
Did you hear me zing right over your head?
I didn't. I was so focused.
Hit it.
Dude, you killed that.
I'm like this. I don't know how to feel right now. I was like this up there. I was like, I'm like, fuck, he's so casual about it. He's just playing around in there.
My leg fell under my. I don't know.
Spring puller work for you?
What?
Spring puller?
Aw, that's not as fun. You want to pull?
Yeah.
No.
Perfect. It's soggy. There's a puddle of water down there.
What is it? I don't know. It's from Costco. It's like a burrito. No.
A soggy burrito.
Is it one of those beast?
No, just put it back on the turbo and toast her up till she's dry.
That's what I run on your glove.
Hey, you made the shoot though.
Let's shoot.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
Is the red light blinking?
No. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. All right, Matt, Billy, I'm going for it.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy! I'm fired up now. Yeah, buddy! I'm stoked now. I'm stoked.
That's fucking gnarly. You look so small there. I was like, wow.
Oh, dude, that felt so good. I'm so fired up. Yo, Matt, are you gonna come up?
Get ready.
Getting ready.
10-4, we'll wait up here and film. Yeah, buddy!
Oh man.
This thing flies. Crazy.
Oh yeah.
That one got me fired up.
Yeah. It's cool watching it, eh?
Oh, fuck. Feels so good. I think we're gonna move over to the monster now. Yeah, sweet. Oh, that was sick. Which one's this?
Monster.
Yeah, buddy! Yeah! Hell yeah!
Dude, I'm stoked. That's sick.
You guys should come to the coast next week, and then we'll shred for a fucking
If there's
week.
Good snow. I actually would go to the
Good.
Golf snows good.
Yeah.
I'm not doing anything else.
Me neither.
Let's get the hell out of here. Or should we wait for one more stuck? That was so sick.
Good day.
That was a very good day.
Cold up there, man.
It was still making a weird noise when we left the monster roll.
What noise?
Like a weird farting noise almost when you're on the throttle.
Well, Dawson, hell of a day, dude.
Yeah.
Fired up. Hell of a day, Matt.
Yeah.
Hell of a trip. Thanks for having me.
Good to meet you, man.
Yeah, good to meet you too. It's a sick day.
Yeah, it was good.
Nice work on that shoot.
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
See you later, Boulder.